We have a guest host today.
Max YT.
What is that?
Max YT.
Maddox YT. I call him Maddox. That's your YouTube name?
Yeah, you're my uncle.
Yep. This is nephew Maddox. He's gonna be drawing with us today. So we are excited to have him. So Breddies, all you need is something to draw with and a piece of paper. And let's get started. We're gonna be doing this silly little flying monster bug looking thing. That's really cute. Are you ready?
About as I'll ever be.
All right, let's go. Follow along, Breddies. Maddox, follow along. First, Breddies, we are gonna do just a curve near the top of your paper. So nice and easy, up and down. Maddox's left hand. Look at that, Maddox. What a stud.
I draw on occasions.
What a stud. All right, here, Breddies, just gonna bring this down just a bit, about halfway down your paper. Good, and on the other side. Perfect. All right, Breddies, now we're gonna do a silly mouth. So we're gonna break it up right here with just a curve starting just inside and goes around back in. So just up and down. Can you do that, Maddox? Perfect. All right, Breddies, this mouth is gonna come all the way across. So we're gonna go down and back up to a curve. Perfect. All right, same thing as this side, Breddies. We're gonna curve this side. So just meet it with another curve. Looking so good. All right, now we're gonna connect the bottom with a little curved line. Super easy, Breddies. Boom! What do you think so far? Easy?
Looks like it would be a cartoon character.
It is gonna be kind of like a cartoon character. All right, now we're just gonna mirror this line exactly on the inside for the inside of the lips. So just go here and curve it. Perfect, and then bring it around. Whoop. Curve it again on the other side. And then connect it. It's coming together. Oh, there's a little bug. All right, now we're gonna do two pointy teeth inside. One. Perfect. And two.
Are we making like a vampire or
It
an
is.
alien?
It's like a cute vampire bat monster.
Alien.
Alien. We can go with alien.
Mutant.
All right. Let's give him a little tongue by doing a simple half circle in there. Nice. And then we'll color this in. On the other side of the tooth. Next to the tongue. And the other side of the tooth. Nice.
Sorry if I'm a little slow.
Ah,
But hey, this gives the viewers a lot of time.
it's looking good, Breddies.
Use this time to catch up.
All right, so here is the trickiest part, Breddies. These little arms are like bat wings, so they're a little tricky, but I'm gonna make it real easy. Okay, so right here, since your lip went a little bit over, you can just start it right on the line. I'm gonna start mine in a little bit, but it's super simple. You're just gonna do a line down to be the start of his arm. Perfect, yeah. All right, now take that, just a curved line up for the top of the wing. Nice. All right, now curve it down at a curve, not a slant, but a curve. Watch this little curve. Just curve it like that. Perfect. Now we're gonna connect the bottom. So we're gonna want two half circles. So we'll do, this first one's gonna be a longer one and then a shorter one to look like a bat's wing, okay? So just start from the bottom right there and then go to about, I'd say like right around here. So Breddies, curve this down like this. down, and then stop. Perfect. And then one big half circle like this. Whoop. Nice. See that like bat wing arm thing?
Yeah, and I guess we just do this to the other side.
Exactly, but we're gonna go step by step. So first, let's give the little lines to make it really look like a wing. So Breddies, just a line up and a line up. It's looking so good. All right, like Maddox said, on the other side, exactly the same. We're gonna start, I'm gonna do it because it needs to be like it's kind of further away than this one. This one's gonna be a little bigger than this one. So we're gonna start at about the middle of the lip right here. And this is gonna be smaller. So a smaller curved line up. Perfect. And then that same curved line down, we're gonna do it again over here. So curve it, not as big. And then the same thing. We're gonna go curve and a curve. Sweet. And now the lines. Easy. Up. Up. Nice, Maddox. Looking good. We're almost done.
Does this guy have like 2 eyes or 1 eye?
That's where we like to get creative. So if you want to do different than me, I think I'm gonna do my usual, which is a really big eye with like 2 white dots. But if you want to get creative and do 4 eyes, 1 eyes, I like to be creative on the eyes. Do it different. All right. So now we're gonna do his belly. So that's really simple. Imagine this line goes through the lip, and then start, and then just go curve it in. Really good, good job. And then he's gonna have these little cute legs. They're really simple, just down, up. Nice. And then now imagine this line continuing through the leg, and just curve it a little bit over. Nice. And then the same exact leg here, we do it over here. Ready, go. Down and up. And last step before the creative eye, we just connect it all the way back over here. So I'm gonna go up here, Maddox, if you wanna do it. It helps me get my line straight. Imagine that line coming down and going down. And when you get to that curve, I stop, and then I take my pen off, and then I finish that curve. Nice.
I gave him a huge badonkadonk.
You got a big donk, a big butt. All right, the eye. What do you want to do for your eye? What do you want to do? What do you think? 1 eye, 2 eye, 4 eyes?
Hexagon.
Show me. Show me what you're doing here. He's gonna go hexagon eyeball. Ooh, you like math?
Not very.
You like hexagons? It's math. Hexagons are math. That's not a hexagon, that's a pentagon.
I get my gons mixed
All right,
up.
Breddies, I'm gonna go with what I envisioned in the first place. I'm gonna go 1 big eye.
I get my gongs mixed up.
Ooh, what's the difference between a pentagon and a hexagon?
Sides.
How many is on the pentagon?
5.
5, correct. And then Breddies, for my big eye, I always do 1 big circle and then a little circle to give it that like cute eye glare appeal that I like on my art so much. And then yeah, Max, hit an eyeball or whatever you want to do.
I have an
there.
even better idea.
All right, let's see it. Whoa, 2 pentagons. He's going for 3 pentagons. What are you gonna do for the eyeballs? Just leave it like that?
No, I'm gonna add like a giant pupil.
All right, do it. All right, Breddies, that is it. We are done. We are gonna color, so we will fast forward through this part and we'll see you at the end of the video. Time to color. See you color your pupil in, dude. and we're done. Super easy, super simple. I hope you loved it following home, and like and subscribe and comment so we know what you liked about it and what you didn't, and we will do our reveal.
And
what's
say
up?
in the comments if you want me to come back.
Oh yeah, let us know if you want old Maddox back. He's gonna come back soon. All right, Maddox, ready? 3, 2, 1. Show him your drawing. Yeah! Woo! Maddox went with a blue and yellow lips. I went with a green and pink lips. I had so much fun. Did you, Maddox?
Looks like a chihuahua named Cupcake.
He named his Cupcake. I'm gonna name mine Greenie. All right, buddies. We'll see you next time.
Bye.